We're gonna open the box. I'm really excited. I just got a tin as well, the Vaporeon that my sister pulled. She pulled really great pulls. Try to not damage the box. Try to open it as cleanly as I can. Yep, there's no turning back. This is my very first one. Pretty nice. How do you open this from here? Ooh, it slides. Ooh, look at that, shiny. Wow, pretty cool. I'm so amazed. Just like, ooh, got some cool stuff. We got the training manual, how to play the game. We got cool dices, very nice dice, especially that middle one. It's pretty cool. And then we got some conditions if you play the game. That's a nice cardboard. Ooh, here is the energies and the sleeves. The sleeves are nice. Can't wait to put some sleeves for some great pulls, hopefully. And then we got dividers as well. We got the code card. Usually I show the code card if I pull something, so we'll see about that. And here's the packs. 8 packs. Ooh, Tall Evolution Skies. Pretty cool. Okay, let's get this open. You pick 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, pretty cool. I got 4 as well. So we're gonna do a battle to see who can pull great stuff. Okay, so we're gonna open up the packs, and I'm gonna start off with opening an Umbreon pack. This is gonna be round 1. Here we go. So I'll show you the code card if I pull something. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, here we go. I'll try this. Water. Shake. Wimbly. Logo. Okay. Little. That's just part of the story with him. His defense has been exceptionally Trevenant. Okay, as promised, I'll show you the code because I pulled something. Here it is. Hope you guys got it. Alright, now it's your turn. You opened it much faster than me. Damn it. So this is the card I pulled. Put it here. Ooh, Pikachu. I'll show you the code card later. Let's see. We got fire. Ooh, a hollow. Okay, second round. Let my sister go. So this are our pools for the first round. Now second round. We got fighting. Ooh, take the pool. Oh, that's cute. Oh, drowsy. Sharpedo. Round 2. So my sister pulled the Sharpedo, and I'm gonna start. Oh man, no, it's not gonna be good. 1, 2, fire. Right? We got dark energy, sugar energy. Two. Oh, pincer. Okay, round 3. I got 2 Rayquazas. I'm gonna just start 1. Okay, that last round I didn't record because
50.
I wasn't feeling it. 50?
Yeah.
But that last pull made me a little bit feel better. Got my money back at least. But yeah, I pulled this Rayquaza, and this is what my sister pulled. We pulled at the same time. But yeah, Rainbow Rayquaza, right? It's pretty cool. I'm actually happy I actually pulled this myself. So yeah, let's check out what else they got in these. They got some. Have you seen these? Just take a look, quick glimpse at the cards. Yeah, I mean I can't feel too bad because I pulled something. Oh, by the way, here's the card, the code card. As promised. Yeah, so I can say, I pulled this, pulled this, and then pulled this. Wow, out of eight packs, is that 3? What do you think? Is that worth it?
Yeah.
Especially this one's worth 50. She checked the ETB website, right?
Yeah.
And she said it costs 50 this. So pretty cool. Yeah, my first ETB unboxing. Nice. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace.